How to use effects in Zoomerang. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily use this tool. First of all, open the application. Now, import the video that you want to edit. So here I'm tapping on one. After you do this, here on the right top, tap on next. So we in this editing platform. Here you can find different options and even customize it. Here on the bottom, you can find different tools that are available. So if you slowly swipe right, there is a section of effects. Tap on effects. Here there are different filters and effects that are available. So you can select and download the one that you like. Now the effect has been imported and you can easily use it in your video. So it's up to you and the way you want to make different cuts and edits, and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.